For 17 years, I've taught own the race course, build your media, don't rent platforms, control your distribution. I did that. I built the audience. I built the authority. I built the reach. But content was still work, and it still required creative energy. Still pulled attention from the real work. That changed. Now my mentor calls become raw input. Transcripts go into the system. Scripts come out. Email packages, social posts, YouTube episodes ready to record. The episode you're watching right now, created December the 18th, before Christmas last year. And it's now the middle of February. That's 2 months of content built in 2 sessions. No scramble, no deadline, no pressure, no wondering what to post next week. That is 14 episodes from mid-December to February. 2 or 3 short working sessions total. I do 0 ideation, 0 content planning, and 0 creator anxiety. My attention stays on strategy, on revenue work, on mentor calls. Content is now a byproduct of the thinking I'm already doing. And that's the destination most founders never reach. They have content, they just don't have relief. They might own the race course, but they're still running it manually, still creating from scratch every week, still treating content like creative work instead of operational output. So here's what changed. Content should cost you attention once when you're doing the strategic thinking anyway, not twice. Once for the thinking, again for the content. Mentor calls are strategic work. I'm solving real problems with real clients in real time. That thinking is the content. The system just captures it and multiplies it. The lesson here isn't about speed, it's about removal. When content stops being a separate task, your business breathes differently. You're not a creator anymore, you're a founder with a system that produces authority while you work on what matters. Mentor clients don't learn this, they get it installed. You give me raw files, I deliver you scripts and distribution packages. If you want this installed in your business, go to jamesschramko.com.